1. What type of plant body produces gametes by mitosis? A. Sporophyte. B. Gametophyte. C. Zygote. D. Spore. Answer B. Gametophyte. 2. What process occurs in the zygote to produce haploid spores in a haplontic life cycle? A. Mitosis. B. Syngamy. C. Meiosis. D. Fertilization. Answer C. Meiosis. 3. Which life cycle pattern has a dominant, free-living gametophyte phase? A. Haplontic. B. Diplontic. C. Haplodiplontic. D. None of the above. Answer A. Haplontic. 4. In which type of life cycle is the diploid sporophyte the dominant and photosynthetic phase? A. Haplontic. B. Diplontic. C. Haplodiplontic. D. Both A and C. Answer B. Diplontic. 5. Which plant groups exhibit a haplodiplontic life cycle? A. Bryophytes and pteridophytes. B. Algae and gymnosperms. C. Angiosperms and gymnosperms. D. Fungi and algae. Answer A. Bryophytes and pteridophytes. 6. Which of the following follows a diplontic life cycle? A. Chlamydomonas. B. Spirogyra. C. Gymnosperms. D. Some fungi. Answer C. Gymnosperms. 7. What is the dominant phase in a haplodiplontic life cycle? A. Gametophyte. B. Sporophyte. C. Both are dominant at different stages. D. Neither is dominant. Answer C. Both are dominant at different stages. 8. What term is used to describe the alternation of generations between gamete-producing haploid gametophytes and spore-producing diploid sporophytes? A. Gametogenesis. B. Haplodiplontic cycle. C. Syngamy. D. Zygotic meiosis. Answer B. Haplodiplontic cycle. 9. Which of the following undergoes a haplontic life cycle? A. Volvox. B. Gymnosperms. C. Angiosperms. D. Fucus. Answer A. Volvox. 10. In the diplontic life cycle, what structure undergoes meiosis to produce haploid gametes? A. Gametophyte. B. Sporophyte. C. Zygote. D. Spore. Answer B. Sporophyte. 11. Which of the following best describes a sporophyte? A. Haploid and produces gametes. B. Diploid and produces spores. C. Diploid and produces gametes. D. Haploid and produces spores. Answer B. Diploid and produces spores. 12. What type of division occurs in haploid spores to form a gametophyte? A. Meiosis. B. Mitosis. C. Syngamy. D. Binary fission. Answer B. Mitosis. 13. Which of the following statements about haplodiplontic life cycles is true? A. Only the gametophyte is multicellular. B. Only the sporophyte is multicellular. C. Both gametophyte and sporophyte are multicellular. D. Neither gametophyte nor sporophyte is multicellular. Answer C. Both gametophyte and sporophyte are multicellular. 14. In which group of plants is the haplodiplontic life cycle found? A. Gymnosperms. B. Angiosperms. C. Bryophytes and pteridophytes. D. Algae like Chlamydomonas. Answer C. Bryophytes and pteridophytes. 15. What process restores the diploid condition in the alternation of generations? A. Meiosis. B. Mitosis. C. Syngamy. D. Gametogenesis. Answer C. Syngamy. 16. In bryophytes, which phase is dominant, independent, and photosynthetic? A. Diploid sporophyte. B. Haploid gametophyte. C. Both are equally dominant. D. Neither is dominant. Answer B. Haploid gametophyte. 17. What is the role of the sporophyte in bryophytes? A. It is the dominant phase. B. It is short-lived and dependent on the gametophyte. C. It is independent and long-lived. D. It produces gametes directly. Answer B. It is short-lived and dependent on the gametophyte. 18. What type of life cycle is exhibited by pteridophytes? A. Haplontic. B. Diplontic. C. Haplodiplontic. D. None of the above. Answer C. Haplodiplontic. 19. What is the dominant phase in pteridophytes? A. Gametophyte. B. Sporophyte. C. Both equally dominant. D. None of the above. Answer: B. Sporophyte. 20. Which of the following algal genera exhibit a haplontic life cycle? A. Fucus. B. Ectocarpus. C. Polyisophonia. D. Most algal genera. Answer: D. Most algal genera. 21. Which of the following algae follow a haplodiplontic life cycle? A. Volvox. B. Ectocarpus and Polyisophonia. C. Chlamydomonas. D. Spirogyra. Answer: B. Ectocarpus and Polyisophonia. 22. Fucus, an alga, follows which type of life cycle? A. Haplontic. B. Diplontic. C. Haplodiplontic. D. Zygotic. Answer: B. Diplontic. 23. Zygotic meiosis is characteristic of a. Fucus. B. Funaria. C. Chlamydomonas. D. Marchantia. Answer: C. Chlamydomonas. 24. Life cycles of Ectocarpus and Fucus are respectively a. Diplontic, haplodiplontic. B. Haplodiplontic, diplontic. C. Haplodiplontic, haplontic. D. Haplontic, diplontic. Answer: B. Haplodiplontic, diplontic. 25. Which one of the following has haplontic life cycle? A. Polytrichum. B. Ustilago. C. Wheat. D. Funaria. Answer: B. Ustilago.